Hey, it's Wilke de Kraai here, and I'd like to show you a case study I recently did using ConnectAudience. So recently I was promoting a viral to a segment of my email list, and during that promotion I cut my email list in half. So I put them in two separate groups of people. Let's call it A and B to make it easy. So both of these groups got the exact same emails for the exact same offers at the exact same time, all the same. The only difference was that I added a unique tracking link to both groups, and I then did the following. So this group got all the emails, this group got all the emails as well, but for those, using ConnectAudience, I made sure that everyone who opened that email also got to see some Facebook ads. And the reason why I only targeted half of the people with Facebook ads is because I wanted to find out how much extra revenue and profits ConnectAudience actually generates. Because if I'd just be targeting everyone using Facebook ads, it'd be impossible to know for sure whether they bought it because of the Facebook ad or whether they actually bought it, they would have bought it either way from just the emails itself, right? So I split them up into two separate groups so I could measure exactly what the difference is between sending out emails versus sending out emails and also targeting Facebook ads to that same group of people using ConnectAudience. Now, the group of people that were targeted with Facebook ads generated 50% more revenue than the group that did not get targeted. So let that sink in for a little while. 50% extra revenue, more sales from the group of people that I targeted using a couple simple Facebook ads. I'm going to show you that in a second. Simple Facebook ads during that email promotion. So let's talk numbers. During this promotion, I ran two different ads, both targeting at a different emotion, social proof and scarcity. So I ran this carousel ad that simply shows various testimonials for a viral, and that's it. Nothing pushy or anything like that, but rest assured that this has a major impact on the viewer's mind. And altogether, I spent 32 euros on this ad, which equals to roughly $35. I also recorded a quick video in which I made clear that this was the last day of the special offer and all of that. So I could then run that video ad on the last day of the promotion. And in total, I spent 44 euros, which roughly equals $49. $49 on this ad, which brings my total ad spend to $84. Now those $84 got me a boost of $1,700, just put that here, $1,782 in extra revenue compared to this group right here that didn't see any Facebook ads, they just got the emails. So the group that didn't see any ads did $3,564 in revenue, while this group that also saw the Facebook ad did $5,346 in revenue. According to Facebook statistics, these two ads, they actually accorded to 2,222 euros or $2,482 in extra revenue, but there's probably some overlap between these two ads. Either way, whether that $84 turned into $1,782 or into $2,482, that kind of ROI is a no-brainer to everyone. So there you have it, a real world case study of how I'm making my email promotions way more profitable by using ConnectAudience, by targeting those who opened the emails in a certain promotion, getting me a 2,000% ROI on my Facebook ads. Now, I obviously don't know about you, but for me that's a no-brainer. I'll take every single day. So hope you enjoyed this little case study and hope to see you inside.